So here's the error that everybody hates. It's the bad system config info error. This is my, I think, third video. This is the last resort I had to go into after trying everything online, and it didn't work. So I went to Amazon and I found this USB for Windows 10 install, recover, repair USB. There's description in there if you want to read it, and on that particular item there is also a video of the steps, but not the specific steps that you have to do. So I will show it to you right now after this, but this is the video, and it's just connecting the USB drive. It does not give you details on where to go in your because you're not able to go to Windows. So you would have to go into the BIOS or UEFI. So the BIOS allows you to, or the UEFI, it will allow you to control the hardware settings in your motherboard. So it depends on your specific hardware. You might need to click escape, F1, F2, F12, or delete in order to get to this part. In my end, I did click F12, and then I had to go and go through the settings. You would have to make sure the boot option is going to be the USB that we just put in there. So make sure you change the settings into the BIOS. The boot option 1 is the USB. So that's what I'm doing right now. So if you are not sure where to go, make sure there's like an option on the top. So that's what I did, but I did make sure that that's where I'm going to go, the Windows Boot Manager. So that's where I go. And then from there, you need to go and on the top, save and exit. You have to save what you just did and exit. And then now you go back and restart the PC. See there, save and exit setup. So once you're done with it, the PC should restart, and if it's successful, it should restart on the new Windows installation, and it should show up like this at the end, because the USB actually helped with that error. And here it is. It did work. So now you just have to set up the Windows, and then you should be able to use your PC again. Thank you.